recovering, you know.
What?
From my fall, I am recovering.
Oh yeah, she is. Okay.
So
whatever.
We're gonna play a show.
We don't care. I know we like Hannah Montana show. Okay. So we're gonna do a show called the Don't Push Button.
I was gonna say that.
Well, too bad. Sit the dog.
Shut up.
Guys.
What's up?
Guys, I think I kind of filmed.
What's up?
What? Oh,
Jinx!
Oh, I got it!
I got it!
Guys, I think I kind of filmed.
You farted?
Oh!
No, I think I kind of filmed the cabin.
He has to leave me!
Guys, no, seriously, I think I kind of filmed to the cabinet.
Gotta leave!
You got balls.
You want to see my balls? There! Okay, now back to the shoe.
Back to the show.
Shoe!
Shoe.
Show. Back to the show.
Oh, my stomach, my gut.
Okay.
Hi!
God, calm down.
Hi.
Okay. On the guy at the button, I said don't push. Ready? On the outside. 1, 2, 3.
You push the button! I didn't tell him to push the button. You tell him to push the button. Nobody tell him to push the button. I didn't tell him to push the button. You shouldn't just go push the button. You don't go around pushing strings button. I told you, don't push the button. You don't know where this button is, Ben. Push it again. You're making us angry. Just kidding. And wasn't that fabulous? That was
Yes.
fabulous.
My mom got this for me for Valentine's Day. It's Hoops and Yo-Yo. They are like the awesomest Hallmark characters. They rock and they're really funny.
And now
You
we're
should really
going.
check into it. Calm down, Cassie.
And now we're going to the
Now.
raining Webkins and the raining Bunny Barn.
No, we're not. Cassie lies. She lies. She farts in her sleep. Ow.
Get in!
You guys are so funny.
Now we are going to model Miranda's fabulous new coat that she got for her birthday. Ready?
Just don't wreck it. My poppy got that for me.
It's a little bit small on me.
No, duh.
It's a Hannah Montana jacket.
Is
so
this supposed to go all the way over?
No.
Oh, okay, then it hits.
It's supposed to be short.
I'm a
Jump.
model.
Like
Move! I'm trying to model here. Na-na-na-na-na. Where's my cosmeter?
And
You guys look great together.
Ow!
I mean, not in a weird like
Oh my God!
gay way. Not in a weird like gay way. You look good together, but you guys look good modeling next to each other.